I graduated from KU Law in 1997 and became a public defender immediately after law school. I lived in Lawrence, but there was no public defender's office here, so I got a job in the Topeka office where I worked until 2020 before I came and took the bench. I now handle all felony cases, criminal cases, and so the vast majority of the people who come before me are also people who are dealing with indigency. I was interested in that because I had heard of different communities putting on these types of programs. I went into it here because while I have always lived here, I practiced in Shawnee County, so I wasn't as aware of the opportunities that individuals who were being released from jail or who were on probation or those types of things, what opportunities they had here in Douglas County, as I should be as a judge. And I went into the program thinking, oh, I'm gonna know all this stuff. I've represented indigent people for over 20 years, and I was surprised at how little I knew. It was a really interesting process. We met and everyone was given a packet, and you each had a character and you had a biography of this character. My particular character was being released from prison. My character had a place to live and had some money coming in. There were other people who were being released from jail who had no place to live. I happened to have children in my character, but everyone had a different person that they were playing and different cards you were dealt, and some had a better hand and some had a worse hand. None of them were good, but it was very eye-opening. Not having an ID is absolutely life-altering. You couldn't get a job, without a job you don't have any money, and then of course you can't travel, eat, feed your kids, clothe yourself. So it was really, really eye-opening to see just how little things that I take for granted every single day. It's a mountain that other people climb every day. I feel that after going through this process, I am a little more understanding, well, hopefully a lot more understanding of what people are going through. I mean, still holding everyone to the order of the court, but understanding that just them getting to court sometimes is very difficult. I think that Douglas County should be so proud of all of the options and all of the help that individuals are given by the Sheriff's Department at the jail, and the reentry team is just does really amazing work, and I was really glad to get to understand that a little bit better. Oh, I absolutely would encourage anyone in this building who works here to participate in the program, whether that's my fellow judges, the assistant district attorneys who are making big decisions about people's lives, the defense attorneys. I mean, they may think, oh, I know what my clients are going through. I don't need this extra information. But believe me, it is even for somebody who did it for a long time. It was very, very helpful. And so I'd encourage everybody to do it. And you know, attorneys who deal with limited civil practice and that sort of thing. I think it's always good to have more knowledge. And this was a really, really great program.